nigga.
Exactly. Big Joe vibes. You know what I'm saying?
Clocking.
Yes, sir.
These
So
niggas ain't shit.
exactly, like I'm not crashing out over the fact that Lux cheated. I found out Lux cheated 3 weeks ago, and today I'm crashing out over the fact that these bitches have the nerve to call my friend a hoe and everything. Yet they ended. They were the reason my relationship ended.
And also, people in the life, don't you guys think, ne? Like, use your common sense. Don't you guys think that if that hand was Arjun's hand, then Arjun would have a problem with his hand sitting on another nigga?
He's lit, bro. In that video, Arjun is sitting this side, Lux is sitting this side, and there's no one on top of Arjun. So how Lux?
No, maybe these niggas think we were born yesterday, bro.
Girl, I just got new information now. And
Wait, what?
that's why I'm like, back home. After 1 year, 11 months, after the hardship, the facey thing, you're gonna let a mouth breather be the reason why we ended. And the craziest thing is that they saying, why am I attacking the girl first? And I attacked Lux 3 weeks ago.
But now that
Like, I attacked him 3 weeks ago. I didn't even think of saying, you know what, let me text this girl too because she knows I'm in a public relationship with Lux. So why is she throwing herself? Even if Lux threw himself at her and she was like, no, or whatever, because it's clear our relationship is public. And maybe if she didn't know, I'm on his wallpaper, unless he removed me too, because it was planned.
I mean, fuck that shit. Nobody know. I mean, everyone knows that Pink Fur is Lax's girlfriend. Like, what the fuck? Nobody doesn't know that shit.
Princess didn't know that. I guess. Shit. Guys, leave my head edges. I was literally just all over the place.
Don't worry, girl. You found better.
Shit, I did.
You found way better. Hey, man, niggas ain't shit for real. Mine's that nigga. Even you did a good job, eh?
Huh?
You did a good job.
I did. Shit, I handled this properly. Took me 3 weeks to say I don't give a fuck. And I didn't give a fuck until they bashed my friend. For what? What do you mean you're opening up a group chat to bash someone who told another woman that a man is literally making her a stupid fool with this specific person? And apparently this specific person knew, but according to me, she didn't know because she fucked my nigga in that moment. If she didn't, if she knew, she wouldn't have. Because shit. But she did. Such home one Della.
Wow.
Bazali bam, it seems like Untap saying, Lux relationship has come to an end. Guys, look at me. As older as I am, I was so invested in relationship. I truly loved that relationship. I believe they love each other, and I love that relationship. I not drama. In Bonile the time they were trending with that Russia saga. Remember, a lot of people, they said, a lot of influencers, they were recruited by Lux. And so there I saw how Untap was so supportive, how Untap handled the whole situation, and how Untap stood by his men then. They were bashing Untap because of the life that she made, guys. And that, to me, the love that these women have that man. It's so sad that indoda noma ungayithanda kanjani, indoda noma ungayibekezela kanjani, then one of the good days is izogila, or one of the bad days is izogila. I don't understand why Lux did what he did. I don't know why he had to cheat. And even if you cheat, why cheat in front of abantu abazithabiseng? Why uzohlaza uzithabise ngaleyo ndlela leyo? But I guess naye maybe bekazitshela ukuthi it will be a secret, because kuthiwa yena uthe the girlfriend or his girlfriend or the girl achitha nayo i-girlfriend aka-Ajini. U-Ajini yonke into wela kuye, just because naye udume phela ngithiwa ushela wonke umuntu. You understand? Why would you cheat on your Han? A Han was always wonke umuntu ukuthi she's your Han and your relationship is so public. Why would you cheat public? So That is disrespect. I am so sad, guys. I'm so sad. Just imagine ukuphelela relationship ye-11 months. I really believed in their relationship. I watched their content. I loved them. I totally loved them. And I genuinely thought they loved each other. But I guess they did love each other, and even good things had to come to an end. Sadly, Neyabo had to come to an end. And I felt like Ulax is someone who truly loved uMthabiseng. Phela uMthabiseng uke watrenda nabo negaca zabo nabo Thando, uke watrenda nalo mntana ubani, the colored guy. I thought akekho umuntu ozothatha uMthabiseng serious wabo Thando serious, but guess what? Lux did that. Lux truly loved uMthabiseng. I don't know why she cheated. I don't even know what to say. I'm so heartbroken. I really loved the relationship yabo bazala bami, but as ngishilo, even good things comes to an end, guys. So that is all for now, bazala bami. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.